Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can record slow motion video. You have to go for the camera. Next you have to tap on more, move to the slow motion, and as you can see there it is. So we can, for example, make the video. So press the shutter and then just turn it off, and let's see how it works. And as you can see, video was taken. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.